Well, we are in downtown Omaha, Nebraska, and we are going to venture around this little park. Big old buffalo behind us. Some Indians over there. Got the RV parked best we could in a downtown area. What is this? Oh, he's asking for directions from the Indians. Is there a plaque around here? Oh, here's something down here. Pioneer Courage, First National Park 2003. Baby in hand. Kid and his dog and a shotgun. Oh, this is cool. A waterfall. Oh, let's see what's up these stairs. Well, there's some plaques up here, or something. Maybe this explains what this is all about. First National Bank walking tour. So you can see right here, First National Park 2003. This is creating the monument. You might want to pause this so you can read this. The pioneers. Go ahead and pause. Settling the wilderness. Omaha's funding. The artist in their own words. Artist in their own words. Founding the First National Bank of Omaha. That's it for that. There's a bunny in there. Right there.
Oh, I just want to get a picture of him.
He's right in here.
I just walked right past him.
Got him. These sculptures are really cool. This is the end of it. Cool waterfall. Here's a buffalo. There's like 3 of them right in a row. They're all sculptured differently. Well, this is really cool. Get a buffalo stuck in the concrete. And this one's Spirit of Nebraska Wilderness. Look at all the geese and the buffalo. Hello everyone, my name is Tim and this is Time for Exploring. And I have nailed another great campground here in Platte City, Missouri. Look at this, right in front of our RV. This is part of Bass Lakes. There's 4 of them. It's like mirror. Look at this. I got a playground right here. Here's my RV up here. This is a small little lake there. And then if we walk over here, look at that. There's a little dock over there. Heck, I should blow up my canoe and go out here. Oh, I don't know how I'd be able to get in. It's kind of deep right here. Twigs in the way. Yep. And there's my RV. We've been pretty lucky. I've only had to level out the front tires for the most part. This is inside the store. Hollywood movie stars. Y'all might want to. Oh, written by Bess Truman to A.J. Stevens, thanking him for letting them stay at Basswood so often. Y'all might want to pause these. Bess Truman, Margaret Truman, and best friend Moxie. Oh, these barrels are really cool. Go up and see what this is. Basswood Sportsman's Club, 75, 74. Basswood Lodge entrance, 1940. This place has been around for a while. So we bought an adult mystery box for 25 bucks. And what do you think is in
tax.
there?
I'm hoping Crown Royal Green Apple.
Uh-oh. Oh, this is a nice place. We haven't even ventured. This is what I missed about Ohio. In the Midwest, you hear the locusts at night. All right, we're gonna get back to the RV and open up the mystery box.
our mystery gift. It's a box.
It's a box.
It's a box.
We just paid $25 for a box.
Whoa.
You want a knife?
Are you gonna let me have a knife? Oh. Should have got a bigger one. We got Barefoot Seller's Moscato. We got a travel pocket corkscrew. We got 2 iced honey buns. A pack of playing cards. Empty box. And one more thing. Probably a shot glass. And a shot glass!
Right on.
Yay! There we go. That's what was in our mystery box.
There you go.
We needed one of these anyways.
The pocket corkscrew?
Yeah, I can keep it in my purse. So it's a white corkscrew.
There you go.
There's our mystery box.
Right on.
Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of the mystery box.
And y'all see that right there? Yeah, she's Baltimore Ravens.
Of course.
We're here at our campsite and listening to nature. There's locusts out there. And something else making clicks. We just got back from swimming. It was awesome.